Hello there, hola, and welcome back to Benidorm and Beyond, my original Benidorm channel since 2020. Brought to you by me, an English woman who's lived right here in this resort for well over 20 years now, and whose aim is to bring you fun, interesting and informative regular vlogs about your favourite tourist city, so let's crack on right now. Today's vlog brings you an up-to-date look at some of the building and renovation works that are going on in Benidorm at the moment, following my recent videos over the last few months, and indeed years, covering the same theme. With the town now experiencing a slightly quieter period, although it is picking up weekly and will then really pick up after Easter, it's the ideal time for businesses and bars to give themselves a revamp and to start any new construction projects, so let's take a look. Today we started at the very end of the Aven Del Mediterraneo in the Rincon de Leux area, where recent roadworks on the sewerage and water systems have caused a lot of disruption to the traffic, including the local Aven bus routes, which have had to be diverted around to Cayman and then back again onto this busy street just outside the currently closed Holidays Accessories shop. As with all infrastructure problems, these types of works do of course have to be done at some time, and with the whole of this avenue due a complete revamp this year, I can only think that we're in for a lot more disturbance and chaos in this area in the future. Next we move along to the strip in the new town, where work is continuing inside and outside the Broadway Disco pub, which sits at the corner junction of Avenida de Mallorca, better known as the Square. The work has progressed, however, since my last update in February, but as yet there is no reopening date anywhere to be seen on their Facebook page or other sites, so we shall have to continue watching this space, quite literally, for now. Back to the Aven Del Mediterraneo again, and just along from the Cafe India restaurant, we see a new bar is emerging called Cayman Baby, which is quite clearly a sister bar to the extremely popular Cayman Beach, which is located very close by along the Levante seafront, just one street away. Decorated in the same decor style and colours of bright greens and yellows, I'm sure this street side venue will also do very well and will be opening very, very soon. Over to the new town once more, and along Cayman, or the Strip, we see more building work has been carried out on the Hotel Marina Resort's swimming pool and sunbathing area for the second consecutive year, with possibly a new restaurant also being added, from what I can make out, called the O Marina. As this hotel is extremely popular with tourists who like to be right on the edge of the vibrant downtown nightlife, I'm sure any new addition will be most welcome. Sticking with the subject of hotel swimming pools, over at the Hotel Melia in the Rincon de Leux neighbourhood, we see that work continues on the rebuild and revamp of their large lagoon-style pool, which is set in beautiful, lush, palm tree-filled gardens, which usually makes it an oasis of peace and tranquility. If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much. Staying in this area, but along the Aven Del Mediterraneo once more, we can see that the work that was started last month on the bar and restaurant Grill 64 and its adjoining hairdresser's salon has now been completed, resulting in a smart, brand new and completely level terrace floor, with both businesses now open and ready for the busier weeks to come ahead. Heading over to the square again, we now see what is technically not really building work at all, but on the corner junction with the Strip, I just thought I'd mention that a new mechanical bull has been installed in the corner of the outside terrace area of the railway bar. Again, we go over to the Aven Del Mediterraneo, this time to the new luxury apartment block that's being built in the space that once used to house the mini golf course, as well as a small children's fun fair. This project, entitled Edificio Monver Mediterraneo, is still progressing, albeit slowly, and will see 19 new exclusive homes created, 1 per floor, along with parking and commercial premises underneath. This construction is something I've been following for quite a while now, and so I thought it was about time I brought you all an update, with views from various angles which show that the front of the building is definitely more finished than the rear, and with price updates for the purchase of these dwellings due anytime this month from the Monvert company online. If you want to find out about some of Benidorm's most popular hotels, then why not check out my great series of vlogs giving you an unbiased look inside and out. Just search YouTube, Fly on the Wall, followed by the name of the hotel you're looking for, and all the info will be at your fingertips. It's that simple. Back to the square yet again, where you can see that the repainting job of the full stretch of Avenida de Mallorca is now almost complete in its bright swathes of geometric patterns, with the only sections now not repainted being in front of the side-by-side nightclubs of Beachcomber and Bahamas, which are still in the process of undergoing extensive renovations themselves, both inside and out. Finally, what would any of my building work update videos be without the latest look at the new little superstore that is emerging, ever so slowly, just across from the Melia and Flamingo Oasis hotels in the Rincon de Loix and immediately adjacent to the well-known British pub of the Corner Bar. As you will see, 3 sides of the interior underground space that has been cleared have now been cemented and reinforced, with plenty of noise, dust and debris still being created from the heavy machinery and equipment on site that still works all day long from morning to night, much to the annoyance of local residents and hotel guests alike. With no anticipated opening date or acknowledgement of the store yet on the official Little Spain website, I guess I'll still be filming these works for several more weeks and months to come. And for those of you who may think that's a bit sad, believe me, I get plenty of inquiries from regular visitors to Benidorm about when this large and handy construction project is likely to be completed. This brings us to the end of today's vlog, and I hope that you've enjoyed seeing some current video footage of your beloved resort of Benidorm and what's going on here at the moment right now. If you did enjoy watching and listening with me, then please check out some of my many other videos which show you accommodation options in Benidorm with full reviews and inside footage of lots of the most popular hotels, as well as taking you on detailed street and beachfront walks and bringing you lots of local news bulletins and updates and reviews on cafes, bars and new businesses and just about anything else I can think of as well. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Take care, have a good day and hasta pronto. Cheers!